Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. Golden and juicy, whole roast chicken. It's zesty sweet, with just the right amount of heat. Everyone's going to fall in love with this tender and flavorful chicken. Let's start by washing the chicken in water, then pat dry. Using a microplane grater, we will zest to medium-sized limes. We're only using the colored part of the peel. Avoid the white pith underneath as it can be bitter. Next, we need lots of fresh lime juice, half a cup. Now for the good stuff. We're just gonna throw them all in my mini chopper. 5 decent-sized garlic cloves, 3 to 5 bird's eye chilies. Adjust the heat to your liking. Add 20 grams of ginger or 1 tablespoon grated. I'm going to blitz this up until they're finely chopped. Look at that. All this goodness is going to give our chicken so much flavor. My mouth is already watering. Let's make the marinade. Add the lime juice and the zest. Now the chopped spice mix. 1/3 cup of brown sugar, tightly packed. 1 tablespoon of peanut oil. 2 tablespoons each of light soy sauce and fish sauce. Half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well until the sugar dissolves. You'll need a large resealable bag that fits the whole chicken. Pour the marinade into the bag over the chicken. Pour some into the cavity too. Marinate in the fridge for 8 hours, turning the chicken every 3 hours or so. While the chicken is marinating, I wanted to quickly show you my digital cookbook. 25 elegant yet easy recipes. Link is in the description below. To make cleanup much easier, line a roasting tray with baking paper. Then place a sheet of foil on top. Place chicken on a roasting rack. Remove the spices from the chicken as they'll burn in the oven. Let the chicken rest at room temperature for 30 minutes. Reserve the marinade. We'll use it to baste the chicken, then turn it into a sauce. Strain the solids from the marinade, and what we have left is, seriously, liquid gold. Brush with marinade and roast for approximately 90 minutes, and baste every 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 minutes, 40 minutes later, and the color is developing nicely. 60 minutes, the last basting. Beautiful color. To stop the chicken from browning further, I'm loosely covering it with foil. Meanwhile, heat the remaining marinade and simmer into a sauce to serve with the chicken. After 5 minutes, remove from the heat and stir in a tablespoon of finely chopped coriander, also known as cilantro. My roast chicken is done. Smells incredible. Let it rest for 15 minutes before carving. What a showstopper! Low stress, big results, all flavor. There's no boring or bland bits here. Visit me at 3catsfoodie.com. You'll find the full written recipe, helpful tips, and converted measurements to make it easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.